Yo, what it is, bro? What's good with you? You know, I'm saying, you doing video and so am I. But, you know, mine will always be more crisp than yours. No matter how far you get. Okay. No matter how far you get. Me will always be more crisp than you.
Mike just got an AC camera, so you feel me?
Hey, let me get on yours. Let me get on yours. Yo. Yo, Aaron's joint, his set was bananas. Crushing. You gotta watch out for dude.
Oh, here comes the artist himself. 2 letters.
2 letters.
In art. I'll get hit by the truck. Yes, that's what we do. It's good, it's good. Crush the Noise tour. Doing it big. I had to pay $2 to use the bathroom.
That's how they do inside the border.
South of the border. I will have an overdraft fee. What's today? Sunday?
Yeah.
He'll probably process on Wednesday. I'll probably scramble up $2 to get it right. Why Kobe love y'all? Yo, what up, Chartway? What's good?
do. It's not about a fancy car or being a superstar. No, 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 no. It's not about being on a TV screen or the cover of a magazine. That's not my thing. But when you give me the spotlight, and I'ma bring songs to you. Yeah, yeah. When you give me the spotlight, yeah, and I'ma do it all for you. That's what I'm gonna do. Lights, camera, action.
Welcome to the kingdom. Yeah. Welcome to the kingdom. We say welcome to the kingdom. Let's get it. 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 Welcome to the kingdom where we got the same mindset. Kingdom money only cause that's what the truth said. Let me take a moment, tell you what it is. We got the truth, married by our father's kids. Never believe every truth to be redeemed. Living up our cross, let me follow Elohim. The Great Commission, and it stays on my mind. Eating every block, then it stays on my grind. Operating soap so my life can shine. Present man remove for something more, something that's a plan. I'm on the front line, reaching those that's my hand. Call it what you want, it place to move it up all times. We got a thousand what you need on the same road, standing firm, trying to get that story told on it. We got the shame of the gospel, homie. Better than going places that's Oscar, homie. Ay, for Christ I live, for Christ I die. Welcome to the kingdom. Yeah, welcome to the kingdom, homie. We say welcome to the kingdom. Let's get it. 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 Stand on me until you understand. And I repeat that one more again. Stand on me until you understand. Because if you understand, you stand under me. And when it comes to God, no one stands under he. Because when it comes to God, he stands under we. So the one at the top really underneath. You see the top, and then that's where you want to be. But I'm going to prove my point like under sheets. Every man wants to be on top of the world, but feels on top of the world at the bottom of a girl. I never heard him say that before. Their minds are sponges that pray they absorb. Step in the booth, man, inspired by the Lord. Incredible mind, they just hit record. Pause, play, rewind, fast forward. Man, to get this hot, you gotta fast forward. Like drag racing. Fast forward, ye have not cause ye ain't asked for it. When you fast, seem time is mad slow. Went from mad slow up to fast forward. 1, 2, 3, 5. Now that's a fast forward, but you didn't pray, so what did you fast for? Wish you could rewind, wish you could redine. Turn into a cat and lay down with the feline. Now you looking at me like he lying. Guilty as charged, both hands up like tea time. I never heard him say that before. The minds are sponges and pray they absorb. Step in the booth, man, inspired by the Lord. Incredible mind, they just hit record. Fly, wise, incredible, immaculate. Flow, no error, but still inaccurate. Your mouth would close would, like cabinets, but the tense that I spit it in is inaccurate. So I'ma make my point, so don't laugh at it. Yeah, you seek peace, but get half of it. I see you holding peace, and you flashing it, but the peace don't bring peace when you blasting it. So you chase a piece, you get half a piece, cause peace come from the master, call it masterpiece. The master is the one that holds peace, cause piece of the peace ain't really hold peace. I never heard him say that before. Their minds are sponges, I pray they absorb. Step in the booth, man, inspired by the Lord. Incredible mind, they just hit record.